Hi guys, welcome you all. Let us see a quick revision related to Jainism and Buddhism. It is important who are facing competitive exam, especially Karnataka TET exam. Now let us begin with Jainism. We are all know that it is a very ancient religion. Traditionally, the Jains believe that in the existence of 24 Tirthankaras. Rishabha was a first Tirthankara and Purushavanatha was the 23rd Tirthankara who was a son of Ashwasena. Purushavanatha gives the four principles. Those are non-violence, truth, asatya. Asatya means not to steal. Aparigraha means not to own property. Vardhaman Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara. He was born in Kundala Grama in Vaishali. His father was Siddhartha. He was a king of Ghatika tribe and his mother was Shala Devi. She was a princess of Lachavi. At the age of 30, Vardhaman Mahavira was set out in the search of truth. For 12 years, he punishes his body by fasting and meditation. At the age of 42, he achieved the enlightenment or Kaivalaya. Later, he known as Mahavira and he became Jina. Jina means one who overcome the all senses. Mahavira spent his 30 years in rest of life. He was preaching knowledge to the peoples. He was traveled to West India by preaching the thoughts and he attained the Nirvana in his 72 years in Pavapuri, Bihar. Mahavira has been the 5 O's and 3 principles of the behavior. Later, those principles are known as the 3 Ratnas. 5 O's are the non-violence, truth, asatya, aparigraha and brahmacharya. The 3 Ratnas are 3 principles are Samayika Gyan, Samayika Darshan and Samayika Charitra. In the Jainism, we see the 2 sects are there. Those are the Shvetambaras and Digambaras. Those saints and their followers who wear the white clothes are called as Shvetambaras, and the saints and their followers who did not wear any cloth, those are called as Digambaras. After the first Jain council, the preaching of Mahavira was completed in 12 volumes. Those 12 volumes are called as 12 Angas. This was written in Prakrit language. Later, a group of Jains migrated to South India due to the famine in Bihar and settled down in Shravanabelgola. And many works were written in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil languages which are related to Jains. The famous Kannada poets like Pampa, Ranna, Janna, Panna were the followers of Jains. So those are all about the Jainism. Now let us see Buddhism. In the Buddhism we see Siddhartha, who later known as Gautama Buddha, who was born in 6th century. His father was Shidodhana. He was a king of the Republic of Shakya. Buddha lives the kingly luxurious life and family happiness and became hermit. He attained the enlightenment and he became Buddha. Buddha means enlightened one. First he went to Saranath near Banaras. There is a deer park. He gave his first sermon there. It is called as a Dharma Chakra Parivartana. There he preaches the 4 noble truths and unfolded paths. Buddha realized that the desires was the root cause of all sorrows. The 8-folded parts are the action, speech, vision, livelihood, effort, recollection, resolve and thoughts. Those are all the 8-folded parts. Mainly in the follower of this religion, the wealthy merchant and artisans and common peoples are there. They are totally inspired the teaching of Buddha. Buddha was a teacher in Prakrit language. This Prakrit language was the common language of that time. The common peoples are speaking this language. On that time, many traditions was followed there. Buddhism became the new hope and ray for the changes of circumstances. And Buddha take on a new role of transforming the lives of the peoples, especially the common peoples. Buddha was visited to the Koshala, Magadha and many cities of on Gangetic plain and spread his message there. They walked from one city to another city for devoted their lives for the others. At the age of 80, the Buddha's glorious life and selfless service come to an end. At Kushinagar, this has been called as a Mahaparinirvahana. Many viharas are constructed there and peoples were preserved their relics and bones in the Chaityalayas and stupas. And in the memory of his accomplishment started worshipping him. This was how the first temple ideals and idol worship started or began. After the death of Buddha, his followers are collected his teaching and traditions in the form of 3 Pitakas. Those are Vinaya, Dhamma, Abhidharma. In the teaching and different branches of the Buddhism sprang up. Those are the Hinayana, Mahayana, Vajrayana. Those are all the sects of Buddhism. Those are all the important information related to Jainism and Buddhism. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.